We just spent the whole day at Alton Towers and this is how it went. Our day began with a trip on the monorail which takes you from the car park to the main entrance. Then we scanned our tickets and we were in. Asha has never been to Alton Towers before, so it was very exciting for me to see what she thought of my favourite park.
It was fun to see how excited Troy was. He wanted to take me on his favourite roller coaster first.
We are heading straight away to the back of the park towards Nemesis Reborn. Let's see how it goes today. The layout of the track of Nemesis is exactly the same as it used to be, but it feels a lot smoother and a lot nicer. What did you think on your first time?
It was okay. It was very smooth. It didn't do
And we are big fans of rides that don't go Next roller coaster. Next up, we took a quick flight on Galactica.
Then Troy took me on this romantic walk through graveyards. Apparently, that's a thing, I guess.
Then we took a moment to appreciate the towers.
Oh my god, they were so beautiful.
Finally, we've made it to the Dark Forest and our next roller coaster, Rita, otherwise known as the Queen of Speed. This video does not do this ride justice. It looks so much slower than it actually is.
I was totally not ready for that. I can't believe how fast it was. Rita was so much fun, and I even have a little bit of curves.
I'm quite looking forward to Asha's response to this ride.
Why, what is it?
It's a roller coaster mine train kind of ghost train thing.
Okay, let's see.
I've never seen someone so excited. Okay, are you having fun? Uh-oh, ghost train.
Unexpected and so much fun. Loved it.
So far, we've had a 5-minute wait for Nemesis, a 5-minute wait for Rita, and a 5-minute wait for 13. What's next?
5-minute wait for what?
A coffee. But there was no time for coffee, as it was time for the Gangster Granny Ride.
Sit back, relax, and enjoy the next 9-hour journey into the world of dreams.
There are so many things here for the kids.
Asha, do you want to drive?
Yes,
Spinball Whizzer was our next roller coaster. It used to be called Sonic Spinball Whizzer. Do you know why the name changed? Let us know in the comments. Here we go!
I like how Alton Towers rides are very smooth. Even the paintball ride that I was expecting to be not so nice was really nice and smooth. I like it. It's lunch o'clock. That means it's time to do the biggest rides.
Which meant, of course, it was time for the Smiler, the world's first 14-looping roller coaster and Asha's worst nightmare.
That's the one that I'm the most scared of. maybe because of the things that I heard about this week. It's fun when you think it's over and it just says halfway.
I lost count of how many loops there were. Apparently there's 14.
It was loopy loops.
Loopy loops.
Smiley loopy loops.
Fun fact, when this ride was built, it had the world record for the steepest drop at 87 degrees. Not quite vertical, but nearly.
What about now?
Now, it's still 87 degrees. Want to know how I know that? Because I drink smart water.
Would you like to try some golf?
I suck at golf. Oh, I hate these things. Make sure you check the live queue times during the day. We saved so much time and never waited more than 10 minutes for anything. After a quick check, Subterra was next.
Done the Nemesis Subterra and it was so much fun. Completely unexpected, but worth doing.
Subterra.
Subterra.
Just a quick thing, guys. If you want to have the most comfortable shoes whilst you're in a theme park, then Geeswine is the way forwards. It's what me and Asha have on all the time, and you can even use discount code Asha20 for a discount. Obviously, a discount code for a discount. Right, more rides. The Curse of Alton Manor was the next stop of our tour. We aren't going to spoil this one for you. You're going to have to go and check it out for yourselves. I remember when the haunted house was the most terrifying thing. When I was a kid, I was absolutely petrified. Then it turned into Doom and they gave you a gun, which took away all of my nightmares because I could shoot the bad things. Now it seems to have had a full refurbishment into a dollhouse kind of theme. And again, it's petrifying.
I enjoyed it. It was so much fun. And Troy was so scared, which brought even more fun.
I wasn't scared. I was only screaming to warn others nearby of potential danger. Anyway, here's the runaway train.
This video makes the ride look super slow, but in reality, it's really nice and fast. There is one roller coaster left in this video. Do you know which one?
After our whitewater rapid adventure, we quickly checked out the Sea Life Aquarium, and then, saving the best for last, it was time for the Wicker Man. I'm going to go out on a limb here and say the Wicker Man is my new favourite roller coaster at Alton Towers.
Yeah, I'm actually not surprised. It's my favorite ride too. It's super long and so much fun. Definitely not only for the kids.
And that was our full day in Alton Towers.
If you like our videos and you still haven't subscribed, please do so. Highly appreciate.
Bye.
Ciao.